we are starting another vlog. It is another day in the life of a New York City wardrobe stylist vlog. I'm back with another one. I have a shoot coming up next week on October 22nd. And yeah, I've been prepping for that. That's what I've been doing all day. Sending out emails to showrooms, designers, all of that to pull pieces. Styling a shoot for a magazine. It is called Worldwide Magazine. And yeah, I'm excited. The mood board is Chef's Kiss. And I am excited to put together these looks. Good morning, guys. Shoot prep starts right now. On my way to start pulling clothes. Let's go. Got the train. Hey guys, so I am done pulling. My first stop was at Beacon's Closet. I'm finished. I did not even vlog inside of Beacon's Closet. I was so focused on getting the pieces that I did not even vlog. But this is the big garment bag, clothes, but yeah, I forgot to vlog inside. Like I said, I was so focused. But I really wanted to go to a shoe repair place, but my time was running out and I have a dentist appointment. So I got to go to the shoe repair place another day because I have two shoes that I want to get repaired. But yeah, I'm going to have to go another day. So right now I'm on my way back home and I'm going to choke a little bit and then head out to my dentist appointment. And then good afternoon, guys. I'm back on the vlog. Just got back from my dentist appointment. Don't mind my mouth. I had to get like the numbing thing on my tooth, but so my mouth, you already know when you go to the dentist, your mouth starts feeling crazy. But yes, just got back home and I just wanted to check in with you guys and say hello. I'm back home. I'm here. Yeah, I'm in my basement right now. So yeah, got home. Let's update on today because I don't even know if you guys heard me on the earlier clip when I was on the train. But yeah, so this morning I had an appointment with Beacon's Closet. If you don't know, it's a thrift store here in New York City. They have this program where they allow creatives, specifically people of color creatives, to pull pieces from their showroom. So to pull pieces from their store. So I went there this morning, pulled a couple pieces. Everyone was really helpful, really nice, so very much appreciated. And yeah, I was happy to pull from them. So I had that this morning, and then I came back home, dropped off the stuff, and then went to my dentist appointment. Just got back from that, and yeah, now I'm back home. I'm about to go edit a video. You guys know I'm prepared for the shoot on Saturday, so I have 2 more showrooms to visit on Wednesday and Thursday. Both those showrooms I'm going to visit during my break at work, so I'm going to leave work on my lunch break and then go and pull. So I'm excited for that, and then I have 2 jackets, 2 trench coats, 2 fire trench coats coming from this designer in Canada, which I'm so excited about. Hey y'all, just finished pulling for my shoot and we are back to work. Good afternoon, you guys. It is another day. The last time you guys saw me was yesterday. I filmed a little bit of me going to the Doc Martens store. Yeah, that was my last pull for the shoot. Basically, I usually go to the showroom, but they're doing something this week that I can't go into the showroom offices to pull. So they got in contact with the Doc Martens store, and I was able to go to the store and pull 2 pairs of shoes for my shoot. And I was waiting on 2 trench coats to come from Hillary McMillan. She is a designer. Their offices is based in Canada, so they shipped me the 2 trench coats from Canada. They came in. I'm about to finish prepping for the shoot, send over some photos to the owner of the magazine so he can see the looks that I have put together. And then I have a call at 12 p.m. for another potential styling job. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, I'm just been back on my, I mean, I can't say back because I feel like I'm always working, I'm always grinding. People always say, Bria, you the most consistent person I know, like you stay on your shit. But I feel like I've been taking the grinding to another level, because I'm trying to still, like I said, I think I said this in my Fashion Week vlog. If you didn't check out the Fashion Week vlog, I'll link it up here in the cards. But I was like, I'm trying to figure out what to do next to take my career to the next level, because I feel like I do a lot. I've been doing a lot, but I'm like, what can I do next to just like really bust out and break out? But we're gonna see. So this is the jewelry that I pulled from one of the showrooms. Jewelry, got these cool earrings right here. Love the look of them. And then some of the jewelry that I'm gonna add on to this. And we got the shoes. These are one of the Doc Martens that I pulled. Shoes. And then the other pure Doc Martens. I gotta open this box. I'll show you guys the trench. And then these are some of the pieces that I pulled for the shoot. I have two other pieces over here hung up. So guys, like I said, I got two trench coats for the shoot, which I'm super excited to style. Oh, the color is so good. Now the color is so good. Look at this. And the color is fire. Like, I'm so excited to style this. So I just finished my call. It went really, really well. Definitely sounds like a great possibility that I will be styling another client. Keep up with the vlogs and you guys will see how everything turns out and how everything goes. I'm not gonna say too much. I never say too much. I'm even saying too much right now, even talking about it, because if you know me, you know I don't talk about things until it actually happens. But I'm just gonna say that it was a good call. Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and welcome back to Bria Loves Music. We are here with another one. I have Chloe. I am here cooking. I've literally been cooking all day. I made breakfast this morning. Didn't show my breakfast, but it was really, really good. I made some pancakes, cinnamon pancakes. I made some roasted potatoes. And I make it in the air fryer. It's so good. I made bacon, and then I made this boiled egg. It's like a kind of like deviled egg style, but then I put some spinach in it, mashed up the yolk, put some spinach in it with mayo and some seasonings, mashed it up, and then put it back in the white part of the egg. So good. My brother said it was good. And then I did like this orange juice mixed with cran mango, you know, the cranberry juice, but the cran mango one, mixed that with some orange juice. Fire. Like, I made some good ass breakfast this morning. But right now I'm making some baked ziti. It's in the oven, baked ziti, garlic bread, and then I'm about to make like a little mini salad to go with it. the shoot, heading out. My brother just took the suitcase down because they want to miss our lift. But the shoot was amazing. Everything went amazing. So yes, I'm excited. The looks were phenomenal. I did that for real. So we are back. Started the returns. It's another return. Did one return yesterday. Shout out to my mother. She shipped back one of my pulls, and now we back at the showroom doing another return. It's gonna be returns all week because we're splitting it up, so I don't have to do it all in one day. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is another day. And I am here doing some more returns from my shoot. So let me catch you guys up. So I briefly talked after the shoot. I said the shoot was amazing, which it was. It went so good. All the looks came together perfectly. It's always great when you see a vision in your head and it comes together on the models and everything just comes together and just even better than I envisioned. So the shoot was amazing. I'm excited to see the final looks. And yeah, so that was Saturday. And then got home, ate, and chilled for the rest of the night. And then Sunday came and I did a maternity shoot like I told you guys I was gonna do. That also turned out great. I have to go through and edit those photos. When I get back home, I wanna edit those and have those sent out. But the shoot was cool. I did it at the Pier 17. They have like a pumpkin patch and we did it in that area. That was really cool. And then so yeah, that was Sunday afternoon. Then I got back home and then chilled for the rest of the night. Then Monday, Tuesday, I went to work. I had work both of those days. I brought back the Doc Martens. And Monday night, I vlogged a little bit of that. I went to a restaurant in Brooklyn called Bricolage. My friend Jordan, he invited me and my other friend Savannah, and we went to that restaurant Monday night. They had like an event basically that night. He does a thing with these kids that play football, and basically all of the proceeds for Monday night, what everybody ate and paid for and drinks and all that went to that. So that was pretty cool. And so yeah, that was a fun night. Had good food, good drinks, and just good chatter and laughter. And so yeah, that was Monday, Tuesday, went to work. And then yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday I basically just cleaned and got some sleep because I haven't gotten a good night's rest in the last couple of days. So yesterday I got some sleep. I cleaned, and yeah, everything looks good. And now today we're here Thursday, and I'm about to head out and return. This is the final stuff. Yeah, final. Oh yeah, and shout out to my brother Matthew because he was with me on Saturday. He helps me. So yeah, that was fun because I'm a one woman show. I do everything on my own. So to have him help me it made it really easy. I see why, you ask for help. But yeah, he helped carried stuff for me. And then even like at the end of the shoot to like pack stuff up, it was so much easier. I didn't have to pack everything by myself. So shout out to him for helping me and being with me that day. And yeah, so yeah, let's head out, y'all.